Chapter 9. It's festival time. Festivals. Festivals are special days when we celebrate and enjoy with family and friends. During festivals, we wear new clothes, exchange gifts and sweets, and eat tasty food. Many festivals are celebrated in our country. They can be grouped into three main kinds: religious festivals, harvest festivals, and national festivals. Religious festivals. Festivals related to gods or goddesses are called religious festivals. Let's know about some religious festivals. Holi. Holi is referred as the festival of colors. It is celebrated in spring when flowers start to bloom. On Holi, people put gulal, colored powder, and sprinkle colored water. A special sweet, gujia, is eaten on this day. Eid. Eid-ul-Fitr is celebrated by Muslims twice a year, Eid-ul-Fitr and Eid-ul-Zuha. This holy month of fasting is called Ramzan. On this day, people offer prayers at the mosque. They enjoy the feast and rejoice. A sweet dish called sevaiya is eaten on this day. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. People clean their houses. At night, after praying to goddess Lakshmi, they decorate their houses with diyas and candles. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. Gurpurab. Gurpurab is the celebration of all the Sikh Gurus, and Guru Nanak's birthday is of special importance. On Gurpurab, prayers are offered at Gurudwaras, religious processions are taken out, and community feasts called langars are organized. Christmas. Christmas or Big Day is celebrated on 25th December to mark the birth of Lord Jesus. On this day, Christians go to the church, sing carols and share delicious meals with family and friends. Gifts are exchanged and plum cakes are prepared. Children eagerly wait for gifts from Santa Claus. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals celebrate a good crop grown by farmers and give thanks to God. In Punjab, Baisakhi. In Tamil Nadu, Pongal. In Kerala, Onam. In Assam, Bihu. And in Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Bihar, Sankranti, as well as in Andhra Pradesh, Bhogi. These festivals are celebrated. National festivals. Some festivals are celebrated by the entire country together. They are called national festivals. These festivals are observed as national holidays. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Independence Day. It is celebrated every year on 15th August to mark India's freedom from the British rule. India got freedom on this day in 1947. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. It is celebrated every year on 26th January. On this day, Constitution of India was introduced in the year 1950. The President of India takes the salute of a grand parade at India Gate in New Delhi and hoists the national flag. Gandhi Jayanti. The birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. He is also known as the father of the nation. On this day, our leaders offer flowers at his Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. People lovingly call him Bapu.